not gonna react? Oh.
Mikey's a bitch.
So it's completely different. The way
It's okay, look, it's just a slip.
Just a man with his will to survive. 3, 2, 1, stop. Round 3, 2, 1, stop. Round 2. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
he smells it.
Are you crazy?
Need to brush your teeth. Let me just... no, disgusting. Right. Maybe this time it's gone away. Maybe... No. I can smell it from here, man. That's just... Hey, how's it going? What's that smell? Oh, God. Let me try this one more time. Let me just check that. Oh! That is disgusting. Have you had a Tic Tac yet? Have you had a Tic Tac? It's like tuna.
Hey. Oh my goodness. Are you